Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. This is TechwithBunmi, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving us tips on how to make money with affiliate marketing, okay? And I'm going to be showing us how to create an account with ClickBank, okay? So if you're wondering what is a ClickBank is like an affiliate marketing platform that you sell people's products, you distribute the link. So if anybody purchase or buy the product, then ClickBank is going to pay you. And as you all know, on this channel, we talk about side hustles, how to make money. So if you want to make extra income in 2023, then you need to watch this video to the end. And at the end of this video, you need to let me know if you're going to sign up for this ClickBank and start making money with affiliate marketing. That's the easiest way to make money online. Okay. Thank you. And let's go straight to the main tutorials for today. This is the site clickbank.com, www.clickbank.com. So as you all know, growing your business online doesn't have to be complicated. At ClickBank, we offer trusted e-commerce tools, a global affiliate marketplace, and industry-leading support and education. Everything you need to build your confidence. So this ClickBank, if you want to become an affiliate marketing, is so easy, right? So though I already have an account but for the purpose of this tutorials, I'm going to start from the scratch again to show you how to create your own account for ClickBank. So as you will see home, affiliates. So now let's read this because you want to make money through the affiliate product, right? So quality products, high commission, reliable payments. Okay. Then welcome to the world leading affiliate marketplace. Over 100,000 affiliates worldwide choose ClickBank as their preferred marketplace. And for good reasons, we've paid over 5.7 billion in commission on time for more than 25 years. Sign up for a free ClickBank account to access quality products, reliable tracking, and high commission. So this is amazing. So we're going to start here. So it's going to bring out this. Let's customize your ClickBank experience. Okay. So it's going to ask us some questions. Hey, I am new to all this. I want to promote ClickBank product as affiliate. I have a product I want to sell. You can sell to on ClickBank. Okay. But we want the affiliate part. So I will click on, I want to promote ClickBank product as an affiliate. Okay. Awesome. Let's make sure you get started promoting ClickBank in the best way possible. So I will click sounds good. It's going to bring another question. Do you have experience promoting offers as an affiliate? Yes, I have promoted ClickBank offers before. No, I haven't. This is my first time on ClickBank. I used to promote on Amazon. Okay. So if you want a video on how to become an Amazon affiliate, okay, comment below. Yes, I want an Amazon yes, I want a video on Amazon affiliate, and I'm going to do the video for us. Okay. Yes, I have promoted non-ClickBank. So I'm going to click yes. Okay. Then which best describe you? You just say I'm making less than $50,000 annual, more than. So I'll just click on less. Then what type of product do you want to promote? They have different types of products, but you can actually promote any others. So they just want you to be specify. Okay, we have spiritual and alternative belief, e-business and e-marketing, diet, weight, pet products, women beauty. But I'm just going to do e-business, right? Then it's going to ask us another question. I have an email list larger than 10,000 subscribers. I spent over 2,000 dollars a day on media buying and advertisements. I see over 5K visits a day organic on my website. Now I have over 5,000 visits organic on my website. I have over 225K followers on social media. So if none applies to you, just click on none applies to you. So I'm just going to click on, for the purpose of this video, I'll click on I have email lists, right? So because you can sell through your email list also. Okay. I think you can answer multiple questions here. Okay. So I will say I have an email list. and I do ads too. I spend over 2K on media buying and advertising. Yeah, then I have a website too that I also sell. So I'm going to click on this. So if none applies to you, then you click none applies to you, then you click on OK. So now it's going to ask us where we are located. Okay, so if you're not located in US, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United States, United Kingdom, Indian, then you click on others. Okay, but personally I'm in Canada, so I'm going to click on Canada. I'm located in Canada. How did you hear about ClickBank? I heard about it on Google. This video is a long video I've been wanting to do for a long time. Okay, so I'm just bringing it up now. I heard on it on Google search. Okay, so I click on OK. Last question, what's your email address that you would like to use for this? Okay, so now I'm going to put my email address here. So I put an email address, then I submit. Okay, so now it says, wow, you have some impressive affiliate experience. Yeah, so you click on continue. So we're going to sign up now. So yeah, I'm going to fill up this place. Okay, I'm going to put, let me see if basically all countries, I believe all countries can sign up for this ClickBank. Okay, I believe all countries can. Unfortunately, Nigeria is not among. Sorry, I think Nigeria is not among. Okay, but I'm in Canada, so I'm going to click on Canada. So I'm going to put my name. Okay. Um, I'm going to put my details here, and I will show us the next stage. Okay. So I'll put my name, my details, the password, then I'll be right back. Okay. So I added all my details already, so you can proceed. So I cannot proceed without reviewing the terms and conditions. Okay. So I'll be right back. Let's click on it. So as you can see, it's changed automatically, marked it, then join ClickBank. So now it's going to ask us here, join ClickBank community or Keydoc. No. So you say no, thanks, continue to sign up. So basically this is our dashboard. So we scroll down and you download and accept. I'm just going to download it. You can easily ignore that. Okay. You can ignore that. And this is our platform. Okay. If you don't know, my name also is Elizabeth. So this is our platform and this is the dashboard. So now I'm going to show us the marketplace right now. So now it's going to ask us to complete our profile. Okay. So for some personal reasons, I'm going to fill in my address. I'll fill in the city I am, zip code. Then I will be right back to continue this video. So I put my personal details and yeah, you're going to put your name. Okay. Payee, like the name. Yeah. Elizabeth. Then you say, let's optimize your performance. Then you click sell physical products, sell digital products. You want to promote an affiliate, okay? So you click on promote product as an affiliate, okay? Promote product as an influencer, do market research. So we want to promote as affiliate. So we click affiliate and we'll save. So now we'll save again. So now we now have our full dashboard. Okay, so it's going to ask you to create your nickname. Okay, so you create your nickname. So it's going to ask you to create a nickname. So we are promoting affiliate products. Okay, and if you want to be a seller and affiliate, to click on seller, but for the purpose of this, we are just promoting affiliate products. Then nickname, I'm just going to put a nickname. Okay, so let's create a nickname. So I have my nickname here, Bumi Tech. Okay, so I'll sign up for the nickname. So this is the nickname that will come up anytime you have an account or you have your link. And this is this is you can decide to choose any of the link. You have access to it right now. We have the health and fitness, you have the e-business and e-marketing, spiritual, age, alternative beliefs, self-help, home and garden, cooking, food. So we're going to click on this fitness, and I'm going to show you an example of what you would gain. Okay, for you to sell this apply link, okay, and if anybody buys or clicks on your link, okay, you're going to be getting this amount. Okay, so now let's do an example. So tech lovers, basically you click on, these are all the affiliate marketplace. Okay, so you click on e-business, e-marketing. Okay, so you scroll, and this will sell this, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. So anybody that purchased this using your link, you're going to be getting this amount, $21.05. Okay, so now let me open it. Let's see what's inside. So this is what you'll be selling for. This is what you'll be selling though. I think when the person buys it, you get the information. Okay, so this is the link. I'll click on promote. I'll put my name, Bumi Tech. Okay, and I'll just click on create uplink. So this is our link, right? So this link, we were going to shorten it, and we'll go to bit.ly.com. You come to bit.ly.com and www.bit.ly.com. Then you create a new link and you put your link here. So basically, this is the link, and we've already copied it, and you come to your Bitly account, and you create a new link, and this is our link here. So this is the link you sell in your description, you sell it, you put it in your link in bio on Instagram, you just distribute it around. So anybody that purchased this product on ClickBank, then you are entitled to a commission, $21 commission. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching this video to this moment, and I hope you gained or you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share out this video. Okay, I know I owe you guys a video on how to create an affiliate marketing website. That video is coming up soon. Okay, and you don't want to miss it, right? So subscribe and join the tech family. Do not forget to watch others of my videos and check my descriptions for any of my services that you will need me to handle for you, and get in touch. Bye for now, and cheers.